On 20th of November 2021, during the transit, you could see the planetary position being displayed here, where the star is Rohini, and in Taurus, you could see there is a conjunction of planets Rahu and Moon there, and in the Libra, you could see Mercury is along with Mars, and in Scorpio, Ketu is along with Sun. And in Sagittarius you could see Venus, and at Capricorn, Saturn being a ruler. Aquarius you could see Jupiter there. That is, Jupiter has moved on that particular time, that is around 11:30 p.m. on that same day from Capricorn to Aquarius. On 13th of April 2022, it is Pushya star where Moon is at Leo, and at Libra you could see Ketu there, and at Aries there is a conjunction of planet between Rahu and Mercury. I could see Saturn being ruler at Capricorn, and at Aquarius you could see Mars is there along with Venus, and Jupiter had moved on that particular day to Pisces. That is, you could see in Pisces Jupiter is along with Sun. So this is the planetary position once the Jupiter gets transit from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. So in Aquarius, Jupiter stays only for 145 days hardly. Now we will be seeing for each and every zodiac sign what is the impact based on the Jupiter's position and the places it aspects. Scorpio, the 8th zodiac sign. For Scorpio, the Jupiter moves from 3rd house to 4th house seems to be highly favorable for them. Jupiter being responsible for the 2nd and the 5th house is at the 4th house, can improve their wealth. They can buy some good assets during this time. They can purchase land, building or vehicles. So all good things can happen, and the investments in share market can yield them good profit also. The position of Jupiter seems to be really favorable. Till now it was controlling Saturn at the 3rd house, so they were been doing hard work as Saturn's negative effects being controlled by Jupiter. Once Jupiter moves to the 4th house, Saturn becomes highly powerful as a negative planet in 3rd house. So this is the period where they will find lot of sluggishness in their work. They will find laziness. They don't take things very easily. They will show their disinterest in all these aspects. So because Saturn is the 3rd house, it will not allow them to work in 100% spirit and good confidence. It will try to slow them down, and they will be sleepy and they don't want to work. They don't want to take risk and all. So their hard work will be not as expected as in the previous years. But now Jupiter starts aspecting the 10th house, 8th house and the 12th house. Seems to be really good for them, because once it starts aspecting the 8th house, those who have borrowed money, they can give back the money. Those who wanted money and want to take loan from the bank, there are chances they can get the loan sanctioned and they can establish their wealth. Those who want to purchase any assets by taking loan, this is the right time for them to get loan, and they can easily pay back the loan also. Some of them may get foreign opportunities. They can go to foreign countries for studies as well as for business, whatever it is. So there are good chances for making more money out of the foreign currencies. Jupiter aspect in the 10th house seems to be really good. Some can get government related jobs. Some can find their job placements really interesting. Some can find a suitable job during this time. Those who are waiting for good job opportunities, is the right time for them to enter into good companies. Some can get associated with the government organizations. Some can get associated with IT companies. Some can establish themselves in the medical field as well as in the construction field. So these are some of the areas where they can establish their strength. Those who are already working in a company, they can get promotions, they can get transfers, good increments. All these good things can happen as Jupiter is aspecting the 10th house. Jupiter is also aspecting the 12th house, seems to be highly favorable for them. They can find a good sleeping nights. So far they will be struggling for sleepless nights. Now it will give some comforts in during sleeping, and they can spend their expenses in a very positive manner. So some can spend the money for marriages, for taking loans for their children. Some can visit foreign countries. For them they can spend a lot. Some can do charities. These are some of the positive things as Jupiter aspecting the 12th house. So very good fortunes can happen for this particular zodiac sign. Now when you take about the 7th house, because here the Rahu is very powerful, so far it is being controlled by Jupiter, now it becomes highly powerful. So there will be problems with the business partners, husband and wife. So there will be problems in the business, the partners will not listen to them. So some of the areas they need to be really careful. And now Rahu will aspect the zodiac sign directly, and Ketu is also there. So they may have some health issues during this particular period. When you see at the 3rd house, Saturn becomes highly strong. They don't get good support from their younger sisters and brothers, and they will have problems and the laziness. They don't take good decisions in time. Saturn aspecting the 5th house along with the place where the Jupiter is a ruler there. So some may find problems with the children, they don't listen to them. Some may find issues in getting the childbirth. All these problems might happen. Those who are waiting for marriages for very long, there may be delay in the marriage. The alliances will not get set right during this time. They need to spend a lot. The problems will still creep up. Saturn aspecting the 9th house is not so favorable for them. It will have some problems with the father's side family. They may not have some lucky times. Some of the lucky events may slip away, and those who are expecting court verdict in favor of them may not get a favorable reply or favorable judgment. Some may not get assets from their father's side or father's property or something. So some of the problems they may face during this period. So considering all the aspects for Scorpio, this Jupiter transit is not so effective for them. The certain aspect is good, but for certain aspect it is not so favorable for them. So we can say up to 75% positivity for Scorpio.